To install Meteor, just go to meteor.com and visit the install page. If you're on Windows, you'll have to download the official Meteor installer, but if you're on OS X or Linux, you can simply copy in this command and open terminal, and in there paste and hit enter, and that's going to download and install Meteor for you. This is going to take a few minutes, so I'll be back when it's done. Okay, so now Meteor has finished downloading and installing, and it's giving us instructions on how to create our first project. So I'm going to go ahead and create a new project by writing Meteor create, and my project name, I'm going to go with an old classic and call it Hello World. And just give it a minute, and there we go. Now I can cd into my project, and we can take a look at what's in here. Meteor created 3 files for us: Hello World CSS, Hello World HTML, and Hello World JS. And to launch our app, we simply write Meteor, and that's going to compile and launch a server, and then we'll be able to visit the app in a localhost URL. Alright, so we can just copy the URL and put that in, and there we go. That's our first Meteor app. It doesn't do much, just click the button and it shows how many times you've pressed it. Let's take a look at what the files are that Meteor created. Actually, the first thing you'll notice is that there's a hidden .meteor folder. Now, you won't really need to interact with this, except maybe the packages file, but we'll leave that to another video. Now, let's open these up and see what's in them. Okay, so our CSS file is actually empty. The HTML file contains very simple template and the document setup, and the Hello World has template helpers and event handlers. Now we'll cover those in another video. I just wanted to show you what Meteor creates. And to give you a demo of the cool stuff you can do with Meteor and how it works, let's do some editing. First of all, let's see what happens if I edit the CSS file. Let's change the body background color to, let's say, blue. And if I save, Meteor will refresh automatically, and now my color has been changed. Okay, let's remove that because it's ugly. Same with HTML. If I change the title in my HTML document to Hello World, save, Meteor will build the new app and show the changes automatically. And the same thing goes for CSS, or JavaScript. So if I change the file, it'll recompile the app and update the browser automatically. And you can see it says client modified refreshing. And that's it. That's how you get Meteor up and running. And we'll cover more in the next videos.